What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for this video we are going to review Salesloft, a leading sales engagement platform designed to streamline your sales processes and drive revenue growth. Today we'll deep dive into its features to help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Founded in 2011, Salesloft has quickly become a go-to solution for sales teams of all sizes. Its intuitive interface, robust features, and integrations with popular CRM systems make it a powerful tool for sales professionals. Now let's explore the pros of Salesloft. Salesloft seamlessly integrates with popular CRM platforms like Salesforce, making it easy to sync data and streamline your workflow. With Salesloft, you can create personalized outreach campaigns at scale, including personalized emails and automated follow-ups, helping you engage with prospects more effectively. Salesloft offers advanced reporting and analytic tools, allowing you to track performance metrics, identify trends, and optimize your sales strategy for better results. Salesloft automation feature helps you create and automate multi-channel sales sequences, ensuring consistent and timely outreach to prospects. Salesloft facilitates collaboration among team members with features like shared templates, real-time activity feeds, and role-based permissions, enhancing teamwork and productivity. However, like any tool, Salesloft has its drawbacks. Here are 3 cons to consider. While Salesloft offers a wealth of features, mastering its full capabilities can take time and effort, especially for new users. Salesloft's pricing can be on the higher side, particularly for smaller businesses or startups with limited budgets. While Salesloft offers extensive customization options, some users may find its flexibility lacking compared to other platforms. In conclusion, Salesloft is a powerful sales engagement platform with a range of features to streamline your sales processes and drive revenue growth. While it may have a learning curve and higher pricing for some, its seamless integration, personalization features, and advanced reporting capabilities make it a valuable asset for sales teams. Whether it's the right fit for your business ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.